I'm Bill. This is Boden Autohaus. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Boden Autohaus. We make your cars look prettier and lighter, give you new exhaust, and subsequently to go faster.
What's that car behind you?
Looks like a McLaren to me, a Senna to be exact.
HRE carbon barrel.
I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb.
Pretty light wheel.
They gotta move. I gotta gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking sublime. I hit my low, I don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate with like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Now I need a ghost. I got a wave like I'm on the coast. Same ones are doubting I dare the show. So way that I'm balling, they think I'm a pro. I'm getting sick by the money I gross. They saying whoa. I told them all what this is. I told them all I don't miss. Said it's my time. Look at this shit on my wrist. And when they shooting this brace, I'm going in. In a new gear, gotta shift. I cannot stick to the script. I cannot wait. Watch how I get it and flip. It's just how I'm doing this shit that I'm going. Just how I'm doing this shit that I'm going.
Okay, so these tips are going to be for a 992 GT3 for the system. So what I'm doing here is making a double wall tip. As you can see, it's double layered. So what I'm going to do is tack it all the way around and then fully weld it. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to grind most of the weld off and blend it so that way it all looks like it's one piece. Yeah, looks pretty swank, dude. Not too shabby, eh?
Check. All right, guys, we're out here in sunny Vista, California at the HRE Open House event. We brought this Mclaren Senna. We're debuting. We put the all-new HRE carbon wheels, so CRBN is what they like to call it. Did a 20-21-inch setup, gloss black lip, satin black on the carbon to match the rest of the car. This car actually features a crazy paint job. You can't really tell probably in camera, but this is the $80,000 option from McLaren, from MSO. It's filled with a ton of carbon. It's got an active aero. This car is just insane all around. This car's actually been coming back to the shop for a lot more, so stay tuned.
Oh, get into it. Oh, this intersection sucks.
No stop.
necessary stance.
The whole Sonic Tools ad just looks like this.
Shoulder, dude.
Got it.
For that little bugger right there.
You can find anything on YouTube, right?
You're funny, dude. I got desperate.
So are we gonna start making tip tricks on the internet?
Absolutely not. If I gotta struggle for it, everybody else does too.
Yeah, that's stocked out.
Well, hold on, brother. It's not done yet. Give it time. It's like a flower. You gotta let it bloom.
It doesn't look anywhere near what it's gonna look like when it's done. That's what I'm trying to say. Well, I'm just taping up the holes so that way when I purge this dog, you don't get any oxygen in there. Oxygen's no bueno.
What does oxygen do?
Crystallizes the inside when you weld it, and it makes it super weak, super brittle. So you can't have that. It's a hammerhead shark tank. Caught it myself off the Autohaus.
All right, guys, we are doing our final send-off with the Shop GT3, and we are passing it over to our new owner. It's been put back to stock, but before we finish things up, we had to send it off with a little montage with the CGT, so check it out.